Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the double crochet rose stitch pattern. This pattern is going to be super fun, so let's go ahead and jump on into it. So to get started, you want to chain any multiples of your choosing. You'll also need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do a double crochet. Once you have all of your chains, you're going to start off by chaining 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, we are going to work our first double crochet, followed by double crochets all the way to the end of the row. Alright, once we have row 1 done, we'll start off on row 2, and this will be the repeat for the whole entire project. You're going to start off by chaining 3 and double crocheting in the first stitch. Next, you will work in the front post, so going through back and front. There you go. And we will continue working in the front post, double crocheting all the way until you reach the end of the row. Now sometimes it can get a little bit tricky with these working in the front post while you're first starting out, so definitely make sure that you're counting your stitches as you go. Alright, so let's see that again. We are going to start off by chaining 3, double crocheting in the first stitch, and then we will be working a front post double crochet all the way to the end of the row. You can see how it's starting to form that pattern. All right. I'm just making sure I didn't miss any stitches here. It's very easy to end up missing a front post to work through. So there you have it, how to do the double crochet rose stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.